The first question is f maps R to R and g maps 0, infinity tends to R is defined by f of x is equals to x square and g of x is equals to root x. Which one of the following is not true? Option A, f circle g of 2 is equals to 2. Option B, g circle f of 4 is equals to 4. Option C, g circle f of minus 2 is equals to 2. Option D, f circle g of minus 4 is equals to 4. So according to this question, we need to check which option is wrong. So first we check option wise. The first option is f circle g of 2 is equals to 2. Now we need to check whether it is true or not true. So in this, how we see this option is, in this we have two sides. One is left hand side, one more is right hand side. If both are equal, then it is true. If not equal, it is not true. First we check LHS. What is the LHS in this case? LHS is equals to f circle g of 2. So the meaning of this is f circle g of 2. Circle means here of. So write f of g of 2. That equals 2. So we need to find this g of 2 value first. We know g of x, that is given in the question. G of x is equals to root x. Put x is equals to 2. Then g of 2 is equals to, so x is replaced by 2. Right here 2 in the root. So g of 2 value is how much? Root 2. Now substitute this g of 2 value in the expression. So f of g of 2 value we got root 2. F of root 2. Now we need to find this f of root 2 value. The given f of x is x square. F of x is x square. Put x is equals to root 2. Then we get f of root 2 value. So f of root 2 is equals to x is what? Root 2 whole square. Now square root cancel. So f of root 2 value is 2. So write here the value. What is LHS value? LHS value is 2. The given RHS is also 2. So LHS is equals to RHS. It is true. Option A is true. Now we check option B. So same like that we do the process. So G circle means I told it is of f of 4 is equals to 4. Now we need to find this LHS. LHS is what? G of f of 4. F of 4. How we find f of 4? We know f of x value, that is x square. Put x is equals to 4, we get f of 4 value. So f of x is equals to x square. Put x is equals to 4. Then f of 4 is equals to 4 square. F of 4 is 4 square. Now next we need to find g of f of 4. So g of f of 4 value is 4 square. Now g of x in the question is root x. So g of x is root x. Put x is equals to 4 square. So we need to find g of 4 square. Put x is equals to 4 square. Then g of 4 square is equals to root 4 square. That is square and root cancel. So g of 4 square value is 4. That is LHS. LHS I got 4 and also RHS is 4. So it is also true. Next, option C. What is option C? G circle f of minus 2 is equals to 2. So I said already. Circle means what? Of. So G of f of minus 2 is equals to 2. So we need to prove LHS is equals to RHS, then it is true. So first find LHS. What is LHS in this case? LHS is equals to G of f of minus 2. We know f of x value. What is the f of x value in the question? In the question, f of x value is x square. So put x is minus 2. Then f of minus 2 is equals to minus 2 whole square. So minus 2 whole square is what? Plus 4. Now, write this 4 value in the place of f of minus 2. G of 4. G of x we know. According to the question, g of x is root x. So g of x is root x. So put x is equals to 4. Then root 4. Root 4 value 2. So write this 2. So RHS is 2. LHS also 2. It is also true. Next, go for option D, the last option. Here circle means off. So f of g of minus 4 is equals to 4. If both are equal, then it is true. Otherwise, not true. So first we find LHS. So LHS is f of g of minus 4. First we need to find this g of minus 4. We know g of x. G of x in the question is root x. So in the x place you have minus 4. Put x is equals to minus 4. So g of minus 4 is equals to root minus 4. If you observe, g of minus 4 is equals to root minus 4. Under root you have a negative value. Under root when you have a negative value, it is not real number. It is not a real number. It is imaginary. So not defined. We cannot define this. So can't defined in the function. F maps R to R. So we can't define in this. Therefore, option D is not true. So the option, correct answer is not true. Answer is option D. So not true. The option is D.